Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna everyone. Hare Krishna Vrinda. You're so enthusiastic always. Very happy to see you. Mataji, can you give me, can you make me the host? See your friend Krishna is here. Krishna, why are you under a blanket?
I'm in Mataji.
So today what we are doing? We're revising, right? Can we start? Can somebody start with the prayers? Nandini, Hare Krishna. Is it cold in Cincinnati? You're wearing big jacket.
Kind of Mataji.
Kind of.
Super freezing for me in the morning and right now.
Okay, can somebody start prayers, please?
Om ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन श्रीगुरवे नमः अदाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे विशेषशून्यवादी
Okay, very good. You're all very good children. So, okay, who wants to try the shloka? Samskruti raised her hand. Yes, Samskruti, go ahead.
कृष्ण स्वधामोत्पगते धर्मज्ञानादिभिः सह कलो नष्टादिशामेष पुराणार्को धुनोदितः.
Translation.
The Bhagavata Purana.
This.
Mataji, can Advait go?
Yes, Advait, go ahead.
Mataji, can
I see both
say
of
the
them?
translation? The Bhagavata Purana.
Can Ovi go after Advait?
Okay, I'll give chance. Today, see all of you will get a chance.
hand.
Who is
Mataji,
that?
can I do both of them? Advait.
Advait can, yes. Yes, go ahead.
Krishna Swadama Pagate Dhamma Jnana Dibisa Kalana Stata Shamesa Puhana Kodunoditaha Yamina Yam Mapisma Ambava Trajate Ante Kalevalam Tam Tam Me Vaiti Kaunteya Sadat Bhava Bhavataha.
Could I go, Mataji? Could I get both? Mataji, could I go? Could I go, Mataji? Could Keshavi go,
See,
Mataji?
everybody
can
are asked.
Ovi go?
Okay, can you all be quiet once? I'll pick one of you, okay? Because all of you want to say.
Karthik wanna go.
Ovi wants, Ovi, I'm hearing her name. So from the Ovi, first you go, then Akshita.
Okay. Suraj wants to go.
Yes, Suraj, next I'll call your name, okay?
Okay, so Yam
Karthik wants to go.
Bhavam Tejayante Kalevaram Tam Tam Evaiti Kaunteya Savatad Bhava Bhavitaha.
Very good. Nandini?
Can I see the translation?
Yes.
Mataji, can Ovi see the translation?
This Bhagavata Purana is as brilliant as the sun, and it is arisen just after the departure of Lord Krishna to his own abode, accompanied by religion, knowledge, persons who have lost their vision due to the dense darkness of ignorance in the age of Kali shall get light from this Purana.
Thank you. Rudra. Okay, Rudra and Karthik. Rudra and Karthik.
Okay.
I'll give you a chance. Sorry, I forgot you. Let them finish. I'll come back to you. Okay? Okay. Karthik.
Can I see the? Can I see?
Mataji, what about me?
Suraj, lie. I'm coming. Just have some patience. I'm coming. I'll give chance to all of you. Okay? Who's starting first? Rudra, Karthik.
I go first.
Who is that? Who is
Karthik.
that?
Okay.
Okay.
With that.
Karthik, go ahead.
Yamyam vapi smaran bhavam Tajayante kalevam Samsamavati kauntaya Sada tadvava bhavitaha. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay. Okay, Rudra, go ahead.
Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam Tajayante kauntaya Sada tadvava Ramachandra.
Suraj, Ramachandra, I'll come back. Suraj, then Akshita. Suraj, go ahead. If you want to say both, please say one so that your friends also will get chance. Okay, Suraj, come on.
Okay. Do I say Krishna's Swa or Yam Yam Vapi?
You can make a choice.
Okay. Yam Yam Vapi Smaran Bhavam Tyajante Makalevaram Tam Tam Evaiti Kaunteya Sada Tad Bhava Bhavita.
Okay, Akshita. Thank you, Suraj. So, Akshita, what is the meaning of the shloka that Suraj said? What is Yam Yam Vapi? Shloka mean translation.
Yam yam
You can-
vapis.
So, Akshita, you can explain in your own words or you can read and you can say a shloka also.
Okay.
What is the meaning of Yam Yam Vapi Smaran Bhavam shloka?
Whatever state of being one remembers when he quits his body, the state he will attain without fail.
Okay, you can say a shloka too.
Krishna Sodama Pagate Dharma Jnana Divisa Kalonashta Dishamesha Puranar Kodunoditaha. Thank you. Me Balram.
Okay, we'll call. Is Rudra done?
Ramachandra Mataji.
Yes, Ramachandra and Balaram.
Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam Jatyante kalevaram Tam tam evad gaunteya Tad bhava bhavita.
Okay. Balaram.
Krishna Swadamo Bhagate Dharmanyana Dibisha Kalonasta Shamesha Puranar Kodunodita.
Wonderful. Who is, did I miss anybody who raised the hand? Sivya, go ahead.
Krishna Swadamo Bhagate Dharmanyana Dibisha Kalonasta Shamesha Puranar Kodunodita. This Bhagavad Purana is as brilliant as the sun, and it is arising just after the departure of Lord Krishna to his own abode, and accompanied by religion, knowledge, etc. Persons who have lost their vision due to the dense darkness of ignorance in the age of Kali shall get light from this Purana.
Very nice. Keshavi. I saw her raising hand.
What, Mataji?
Keshavi, you wanted to say the shloka, right?
Yeah, could I even say the translation after I'm done?
Yes. Go ahead.
Krishna Swa Yam Yam Vapi Sarambhavam. Yam Yam Vapi Sarambhavam Tajit Kera Kevaram Tam Tam Evanti Kaunteya Satya Bhavita Bhavitaha. Whatever state of being one remembers, when he quits his body, that state he will attain without fail. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good. Sri Lakshmi, you want to try? She was raising hand from long
Yes.
time. Yes, go ahead. Which shloka?
Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam Tajayante eti kalamvaram Tam tam evatai kaunteya Satad bhavata bhavataha.
Bhavitaha. Okay. Okay, so all of you, most of you all said the shlokas. So, Prahlad, yes, Prahlad, go ahead.
Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam Jatyante kalevaram Tam tam evanti kaunteya Sada tad bhava bhavitaha.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, Raghav, go ahead. Raghav.
Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam.
Okay, I think. Okay, where did Mataji stop yesterday? Can somebody say what was the last thing that you discussed?
We were doing revision. Like
I
revision
know.
of the king.
Mataji, this is not the right
Revising Jada Bharat story.
Bhavata.
Yeah, we're revising Jada Bharata's story.
Revising
Yeah.
story.
Yes, yes.
We stopped where
I know
we
what
stopped where
Jadabharata actually died and he thought about the deer and he became a deer at the next life.
Oh, Mataji finished till there?
No, Mataji just Mataji said that he died and then she didn't continue the next life.
Okay.
Jadabharata story.
This step is only introduction, I was thinking.
I
Okay,
think like where he found the deer.
Okay, we will quickly then, okay. Okay, so Jadabharat, you all know that he has gone to the forest, renunciation. Then what happened? Then what happened to Jadabharat? Sorry.
He
Bharat
sees
Maharaj.
a deer, so he sees a deer in the
And then he takes care
river,
of it.
and then he takes it home, and then he gets attached to it,
Take the deer
and then he dies, and then he remembers the deer.
No, you have to say, see, when I say tell,
No,
you have to
Mataji,
say
when
only
he's
one
dying,
point.
only he remembers the deer.
Yes. So you have to just say one point because your friends also should get chance, right? So don't finish the full story. So yes, you said now he went to the deer. Then he started collecting the leaves. He was doing everything. Then he saw this deer, right? And he got attracted to the deer. Then what happened? Suraj?
Then he started dedicating his life to the deer, and he used to take care of the deer forever. Like, yeah, he thought his deer was his life.
Okay. Ramachandra, next what happened?
So when he took care of the deer, he would like when he would go out to do something, he would always bring the deer with him because he was so attracted to the deer. He didn't want the deer to be dead or anything.
Yes. Then what happened? I know you all know the story very well. Who wants to go next? Who wants to say? What happened next?
Mataji, can Akshita say?
Yes, Akshita. Go ahead.
So then after that, Jadabharat was getting old.
Oh, Bharat Maharaj. He's
Bharat
not
Maharaj.
like Jadabharat. Yes.
Yeah, Bharat Maharaj, he was getting old. And then since he was so attached to the deer, at the end of his life, he was thinking of the deer and he became a deer in his next life.
So why did Bharat Maharaj become a deer in his next life? Who wants to say? Okay. No. Let's give chance to Shri. She didn't get in the. Yes, Shri, go ahead. Why did he become a deer?
He became a deer because he was so attached to the deer, and at the end of life, he was thinking of the deer. And he was also thinking that he will take care of his deer when he go back. So that's why he became a deer in his next life.
Okay. So you're saying because he was thinking about deer, by leaving his body, he became a deer, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, can you mute your... I think you're...
Mataji, can you mute yourself, please?
Yes, somebody has to mute. Okay. So then what happened after he became a deer? Who wants to say? Balram, maybe you can go. Balram?
Yes, Mataji, what was the question again, Mataji?
I said, well, now King Bharat Maharaj became a deer. So what happened now?
He was very sorry for his bad activities he did.
He did bad activities. He didn't do bad activities, but what did he do? He kept his compassion on the wrong place, right?
Yeah, he kept up compassion on the deer, not on Krishna.
Okay, so let's see next. So then what happened? Who wants to say? Now King got the deer body. King got deer. Yes, Ovi. Then what happened? King got a deer body and he's repenting. So what was okay? What is happening now?
So Jadabharat, he can remember his past life and all.
Not Jadabharat. You have to say Bharat Maharaj.
Oh, okay.
Because he didn't take Jadabharat birth yet. Yes.
Oh yeah. So Bharat Maharaj, he when he took the deer form, he remember what he did in his last life. So he tried to he stayed away from his mother, and
So he was feeling bad that he said, oh,
Yeah.
I left everything, but see, I got so attached to the deer. He was cold. He was like, I am a foolish person, like that he was saying, right?
Yeah. So he was like staying away from his mother. He's like, I'm such foolish, because he's like, I was like attached to deer, and I was like first totally engaged and chanting, hearing, worshiping, and remember Krishna, but then because of his foolishness, he couldn't, like, he was like behind the deer, taking care of it, and
Yes.
he wasn't in the Krishna consciousness. Like he
Yes.
was, but he wasn't like chanting, hearing. He was in the deer's thing.
Yes. So who wants to say now what happened? He's feeling so
Yay.
bad.
It was
He's feeling
like,
so bad in the day. Okay, thank you, Ovi. You can mute yourself now. So that
Mataji, can I say one more thing?
yes.
So if he didn't do anything that, like, he was with the deer and focusing on his Krishna consciousness, he was just behind the deer. That was the thing.
Okay, so now so Bharat Maharaj is feeling so bad. Now what did he do? Who wants to say? If nobody sing, then I will tell. Now what is he doing in the deer body?
Can I say, Mataji?
Who is that?
Sivya.
Can Ramachandra say, Mataji?
Divya, go ahead.
Nakshita. So what was the question? I couldn't hear you.
You have to hear the question and then raise your hand. So
Nakshita.
yes, Akshita, go ahead.
So since he realized his mistake, he was detached from everything. He was detached from everything.
In the deer body, he was being very carefully, right? Not to get attached to anything,
Yeah.
right?
And get distracted.
So did we learn any lesson from here, from this episode till here? Who wants to say the lesson? Ramachandra?
Can Ramachandra say, Mataji?
Yes.
That, well, can I say in my own words?
Yes.
Should never be
We can,
attached to material existence.
but we can take care of it and all that stuff, but we still have to do our devotional service.
Okay. Anybody else has any lesson? Any more lessons?
Kartik
Yes, Karthik.
should not be attached to material existence.
Should not be attached to. See now, but now that in the deer body, Bharat Maharaj is being very careful, right? He's staying in a holy ashram. He was not attached to anything. He's being very careful. He went away from his mother, right? Yeah, he's not trying to be now attached. Okay, any other lesson?
Do not be overconfident that we are doing sadhana nicely.
Is that Preeti Virasni Mataji?
No.
Okay, do not be overconfident. Okay, do not be overconfident that we are doing chanting nicely. That's a very, very good point. You know what? Today, what my son did, the teacher just gave addition and subtraction as a review. So he was so overconfident that I know even multiplication, I know even division. So this is just nothing. You know, in that overconfidence, he tried to not. In that overconfidence, he didn't even read the question. He was thinking that is just subtraction. For subtraction, he did addition. For addition, he did subtraction, and he got a less score. So we should never be overconfident.
Ha 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 ha.
You should be very careful. You should never think I know everything. Now nothing can attack me like that. You should be cautious. Now next, what happened? Who wants to say? I'm giving you a chance because you all like to talk, right? Every time I'm talking and you're listening. So I just want you to say what you remember, what you learned.
Can I read what it says, Mataji?
Who is that?
My name is Sri Krishna.
Yes.
He remained there eating only dry leaves and bathing in the holy waters of the ashram. He waited for death to come and end of his life in this body.
Yeah, so now he's waiting. He's just focusing on Krishna and he is waiting for his death to come so that he can leave the deer body. So you all missed one point that see Krishna what happened? Because Bharat Maharaj was such a great devotee, Krishna never forgets. So Krishna gave him a blessing that he can remember Krishna. What if Krishna say, see, we learned now in the 15th chapter Bhagavad Gita, you all must be reading. So Krishna is saying, right? Mattas, what is that? I recite in everybody. Somehow I lost the shloka. Mataji, what's it? Not Matas Pashyasi. No, not that shloka. Not that shloka. I am the remembrance. Mataji, can anybody help me with that shloka somehow? It just,
Is it in 15 chapter, Mataji? Mataji, is it in 15 chapter?
Yes, dear. Say that.
Is it Sarvasya Chaham?
Sarvasya Chaham Hridhi Sanni. So Krishna is saying, I am in
confident.
Yes. So what is that shloka? Krishna is saying, Krishna is in everybody's heart and he gives the remembrance. So Krishna is there in the deer's body also. If he is thinking, okay, I don't want Bharat Maharaj to remember me, then Bharat Maharaj in the deer body wouldn't have remembered. So Krishna is proving again and again that if you take this much Krishna consciousness, I will, Krishna says, right, you approach me one step, I come 10, 100 steps closer. So see, Krishna gave him that boon of remembering. How many of us remember what we were in our past life? Anybody? I don't remember. Anyone of you remember?
No.
No, right?
Remember?
Yeah, so Krishna gave that.
I don't, but my mom says she thinks I'm a yogi in my last one.
That's nice way of thinking. You could be. Yeah. So 8. Okay. So next. Why did King Bharat Maharaj get a deer body? We all know that. Did he make a mistake? If so, what was that? You already said.
Can I tell Mataji?
Okay, what should our thoughts be at the time of death?
Krishna.
You should think of Krishna.
We should think about Krishna.
Like Parikshit Maharaj, he will remember Chinese death.
We should remember Krishna at the time of death.
We should remember Krishna. Okay, you know what? If at all you are not able to see whole
Mataji,
life.
I don't understand this. It says what exactly happens at the time of death, but why is Ratha Yatra there? Like, why is there any?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm also looking at that because this slide maybe
How they
that.
related?
No. You have to tell me because this slide I don't know which Mataji make because it's revision. We are using the other shlokas. Yeah, why Ratha Yatra is important?
Mataji, it was because what happens at the time of death. That means when you see Rath Yatra, you're seeing the Lord, and at the time of death, if you are being at the Rath Yatra, you can see the Lord or you can remember the Lord. That was the importance which I had related with it.
Mataji, what are you doing this early?
Yeah, Sita Priti Mataji, see, she can't. She loves you all so much. She joined for you, waking up so early, missing her chanting.
We love you too, Sita Priti Mataji.
She probably turns off her video so we can see her. So we don't know that she's there.
Mataji, what time is it for you, Sita Priti Mataji?
It is 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. She could have chanted, but see, she's listening to all of us. Thank you, Sita Priti Mataji. So did you understand? Mataji said like that's why she took Ratha Yatra's importance. Okay, so what do you think we should think of the Lord at that? You know what? This morning I was having class. I was discussing with one of my friend, and she was asking. So some people die in accidents. Some people die when they're in coma. So how can they remember about Krishna? So then,
Mataji, what is coma?
Coma is sometimes what happens is you're still alive but you don't know what is happening around. So some people, they're lying like that for months together. They don't know anything. Just because the heart is beating, they are in the, sometimes they come out of the coma, but some die while they're in the coma only. It's an unconscious state you can consider as.
Oh, okay.
Okay. but the person is not said dead because his heart is still functioning. Okay? So then how do they remember Krishna? So I have heard in one lecture that I think His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj's lecture. So he was saying that if you show, if you prove throughout your life that you love Krishna, at the time of death, if you're not able to remember him, he will come and stand in front of you so that you can see him, you can remember him. If you forget, if the situation and environment is not, feasible for you to remember, Krishna is promising that he will come and stand. See how nice. Can our parents stand? Can our parents come in front of your eyes when you close your eyes? Is that possible? Friends, toys, TV, dress, books?
Maybe if you are imagining.
But when you are in that unconscious state, how can you imagine, Suraj? If you're cautious, then maybe you can try imagining, but you don't know what is happening around you. You're just lying. Then how will you remember? Somebody has to give you that remembrance, right? From inside, they have to give that vision. So Krishna is promising that. So why not we focus more on that? We have to do our things. Somebody said we have to do, Ramachandra, I think he was saying we have to do our things. We have to study, we have to be kind, but we have to do the priority. Our response comes based on what we take as our priority. Suppose I like this suppose I like this speaker so much. If it breaks immediately, I react. Because why? Because I'm so attached to it. If somebody comes and slaps Dina Krishna, I will react immediately. Why? Because I'm so attached to him. Right? So like that, we have to be so attached to Krishna so that we have that response. What you focus more on that, you have the most response for that, right? Anything happens. Suppose somebody hits somebody else, why will a mother react? The mother reacts only when somebody comes and hits their own son, right? Why? Because the mother is so attached. So what we are attached is very, very important. Sita Priti Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
I want to see her. Where is she?
It's night, right? So it's like.
So we'll go
Hare
to the
Krishna
next.
Sita Priti Mataji. Hare Krishna Sita Priti Mataji.
I am
Hare
going
Krishna.
to the.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hari Bol. Sorry, it is.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Okay, now Mataji. Okay, you all said hi to Mataji? Done? Then we'll continue.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Now what happened after Bharat Maharaj left the dear body? That is somehow missing. So if somebody can tell what happened to Bharat Maharaj after he left the dear body? Who wants to say?
Ramachandra.
Yes, Ramachandra.
He took another body.
Huh? What is that? What is the third body? Nandini, what happened? You're silent. Come on, tell.
What, Mataji?
I said now Bharat Maharaj left the dear body. So what happened to him now? He took a birth again. So he took birth as whom?
A devotee.
No, what's the name?
Jada
Jada. So what are the qualities? Go get my phone. I want to see the time. What are the qualities of Jada?
Huh?
And how did he act? How did he act? Jada Bharat, how did he act? Who knows?
He was attached to his deer.
No, I'm saying Jada Bharat. See, Bharat Maharaj became a deer. Now deer body is left. So he became Jada Bharat. Ojasvi, you want to say? What are the characters? How did Jada Bharat behave? Do you remember anything about Jada Bharat? What were his qualities?
In his devotional service.
Okay. Let's give a chance to her. Yes,
Mataji, could I go?
After Ojasvi.
In his previous life, Mataji?
No, I'm asking about Jada Bharat, the third life. Do you remember how did he act?
He was nice and he did devotional service.
I was looking for a particular thing. Okay, thank you, Ojasvi. Let's see. Okay, Jada. Who wants
Could I
to
go, Mataji?
Who is that? Who is that?
Shavi. Karthik.
Yes, Keshavi, go ahead. Can you tell about Jada Bharat?
Jada Bharat, he was a mad person. He didn't want anyone to like him, so he can go back to Godhead.
Yeah, he was acting as a madman because this time he didn't want to do the mistake that he did in
Same
the...
mistake
Yeah.
from other 2 lives.
Yes, yes. So what is the lesson that we learned here? There is a lesson here. Can somebody say? Like he acted as a madman. He didn't want to repeat the mistake that he did in his first life, like the Bharat Maharash's body. Who wants to say a lesson from this?
Mataji, what is a madman?
Mataji,
Ovi.
attached to
Mataji, I can.
I have a question.
Ovi, try.
Mataji, I can't on my video.
Oh, maybe you have to log out and log in. I want somebody, some new
Mataji.
kid. Huh?
Can Nandini say?
Yes, Nandini.
Can Ovi say?
That I learned is
Can
that
Ovi
never
say?
get too
Ovi,
attached
can
to
you mute
something.
yourself? We'll come back to you. Yes, Nandini.
That never get too attached to something
Never get too
that
attached.
can make you like get a same birth like in the material world.
Okay. Okay. Who else? Anybody else has a? And I'm looking for a particular word. Balavrinda, you want to say the lesson?
What?
Oh.
Mataji.
Okay, Balavrinda. It's you want to say? Dini Krishna, you want to say a lesson?
Can you give us a clue?
What happened? Why?
Mataji, in his third life, he was just meditating on Krishna. That's why he went to Godhead.
No, Balavrinda, I was saying Bharat Maharaj this time acted as a madman. He didn't want to do the mistake that he did in the first life. So there is one lesson there. I'm saying even we, how many times your mama said you not to do something and you did? Tell me. 1 time, 5 times, 10 times, 100 times. Not just you, all of the kids, even Dina Krishna. Right, Dina Krishna? Mama said not do. How many times we did the same mistake and said, sorry, Amma, I will not do it again. Sorry, Amma, sorry, Amma. We said, right? Even I told to my mom. So see, we do the mistake again and again and again. But see, Bharat Maharaj is now, he's trying to be intelligent. He's trying to be wise. He's saying, I don't want to do the mistake again. I don't want to get attached like I got in my first life. So he wanted to act as a madman so that nobody will care for you. You want to go and talk to a madman?
Mataji, what's a madman?
Madman is he behaves weirdly. Like, you know, once we went to Target and then I took my kids for shopping. Then there was one boy, he have looks like he has some problem. You know, then what happened? Literally, these two guys, my both kids were so scared to go because he was running and that guy was screaming. So they got so scared to go in that store because they were worried that he might do something, harm something. So we don't want to go to a madman. How many of you want to go?
I won't. Mataji, I won't.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, so that's
I
how
won't even
Jada
step
Bharat,
on place.
Jada Bharat acted that way so that he will be, this time he will just be in his own world. You know, mad people are always sometimes they're in their own
Nobody
world.
could look like him.
Mataji.
Okay, so now what happened to Jada Bharat? In Jada Bharat's body, then what happened? Who wants to say the next story? Now we all know he had bad brothers, right? His father was trying to teach him, but he was acting as if if the father said to wash his hands after using the bathroom, he was not doing that. You know, if he asked to eat on the right hand, he was eating with the left hand. He was doing purposefully, but his father loved him so much. And father left his body. What happened? All his brothers were ill-treating him. Do you remember the story?
He was some of the brothers were like mean to him.
Yeah, all of
Like
the brothers
insulting him. Like insulting him.
Yes.
They're
Yes.
insulting him
Suraj,
because of his
Suraj is eating. He's making everybody hungry. Okay, now what happened one day? Do you remember this story? Who wants to say this? Let's see how many of you remember.
Could I go, Mataji? This is Keshavi.
Yes, Keshavi, just give. Let's see if there is anybody else who wants to try.
Me Prahlad.
Ah?
Me Prahlad.
Yes, Prahlad. Go ahead.
And King Rahugun, in the next birth, he was in the next birth. Jadabharat was like a madman, and then one day King Rahuguna was on a palanquin, and then some carriers were carrying the palanquin, and then some palanquin holders got tired, and then they asked Jadaparatha to do it, and then
Prahlad, can we stop here? Now we will give a chance to others. Whatever. So
But I
Prahlad
go-
is saying
Me
the
Balaram.
carriers got
Me
tired.
Keshavi.
No, Balaram. He didn't. He Balaram. Now you can say the next point, and we'll come back to others.
Mataji, can I go after Balaram?
Who is that?
This is Shri.
Yes.
Could I
After
go
Balaram.
after Shri Mataji? This is Keshavi.
Okay. First Balaram finished. Now what happened? Tell me.
What happened is then when Jadabharat was holding the palanquin, there were some ants on the floor.
There were some ants on the floor. Okay, Balaram, thank you. We'll stop there. We'll go to who was the Shri. Yes, Shri, go ahead.
So after seeing the ants on the floor, since there were ants on the ground, Bharat Maharaj, unlike the other people who were carrying Rahugana, he was not walking in a straight order because he didn't want to hurt the ants who were on the ground.
Okay, next who wanted to go? Keshavi. Keshavi, go ahead. Now what
So
happened?
then he got an opportunity. Then so then there were ants on the floor. He didn't want to kill one of them, so he was like shaking the whole thing. Then the king said, "Do it properly." Then he said there are ants on the floor. So he got angry and said some mean words to insult him.
Okay, we'll stop here. Sri Lakshmi, you want to say next? Sri Lakshmi is there. So then what happened? When the king started being harsh and rude to him, what happened? Karthik, you want to say? What happened next? What was Jadabharat saying then?
Jadabharat helped the king get to Krishna.
Okay, let's Karthik, what happened then? What was Jadabharat saying to the king? Who knows this?
I don't know.
Okay, Akshita, do you know what did Jadabharat say to the king?
Like Jadabharat was saying that like the king, like he was making the king understand, like he's not like I am not trying to step, like because he's actually doing a good thing, like he's not stepping on other like ants because they have a life. So he was making the king understand, like I was trying to save the ant's life, basically.
Yeah, he says that you are king and you should he was saying like it's your duty to protect, and you are being harsh to me. What kind of king are you? You are very arrogant, right? He was saying give up your pride. He was trying to preach. He was trying to preach the king, right? Do you remember? What did Jadabharat say? Who wants to read? This is very important. So I want you to...
Mataji, can Sri Lakshmi read?
Nandini? Nandini?
Yeah.
Nandini, yes. Read first, read few lines and the other...
Okay. Jadabharat just smiled and spoke gently to the king. Your sarcastic words are certainly True. You say that I am not strong or stout. That is true. The spirit soul is neither strong nor weak, stout nor thin.
Yes, Nandini, can you stop here? So see, it's a very, very important point, right? If you're fat, will the spirit soul be fat?
No.
If you're dark, will
It
the
will
spirit soul
always be the correct size. How a
No.
soul must be.
Yes. So if you're dark, will the spirit soul be dark?
No.
If you're beautiful, will the spirit soul be beautiful?
No.
If you're ugly, will the spirit soul be ugly?
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
Right?
But
So,
you can't do anything to change the soul.
so we are not the body.
We
Right?
are the soul.
Yes.
We're not
So,
the body, we're the soul.
yes, we
We are
are
not the
the.
body, we are only the soul.
So
If
now,
you
yes, so like Jadabharat is saying very nice points, right? He's saying we are, so he's indirectly saying to the king that we are not the body, right? How many of us agree that we are not body?
I agree, Mataji.
So now what?
agree.
How
We're
many
the
of you
soul.
know Disney World?
We're the
How many
spirit
of you know Disney World?
Me.
No, Mataji.
kinda know. Me.
So, the founder of Disney, Walt Disney, what happened? He has lots and lots and lots of money. So what happened? He was thinking with his money he can be alive. So after he's dead, I'll tell you in the shortcut. So the scientists kept his body preserved so that they tried to bring back life. But can we keep the body? Is that possible?
No. That's not possible. That is not
Did-
possible,
If they
Mataji.
try to do that, it's
You are
kind of
rich?
foolish.
If you are rich,
It's
will you
foolish.
will they keep the body? If you are rich, will they keep the body?
No.
If you are a
No,
great
Mataji.
personality, will you? Why?
Mataji, no matter
Why?
your
Why?
wealth
Why don't you? Why?
or you
You can
can't
keep.
the body.
Why not we keep and save like a doll, like a monument? Why don't we keep
Because
them?
we're the spirit soul.
Because
Yeah.
we are spirit soul, Mataji.
Yeah, once the soul
They
leaves the
truly
body,
belong to Krishna.
once the soul leaves the
Because
body,
we are
It will not come back to
living
that body.
beings.
okay.
Everyone.
Okay, listen to me. Once the soul leaves the body has no value. Nobody will keep the body, right? So we are soul, not the body. Okay, we all discussed that. Okay, then now what happened? Maybe we, it's a big story. Okay, what happened then? Mataji, what's the time?
Can Sri Lakshmi say?
Yeah, maybe we can say and then you can end. I think I couldn't complete the whole thing. Maybe Vrinda Mataji will continue because we have to do our Bhagavad Gita too. Okay, next what happened now? What happened to the king?
You can go.
Know the time, Mataji.
Then you can, 5 minutes before the call, you can just.
Say you are the
Mataji, I can go till
master. 6:58, Mataji. The time is 6:58.
Okay.
Can Sri Lakshmi say?
Next, what happened? I want to ask Sri Lakshmi. Sivya, you want to go next? Sivya is there?
Mataji, can I go after Sivya?
I think Sivya is not there. Who wants to go?
Mataji, can Shri go?
Yes, Shri, go ahead.
Mataji, I'm here.
Sivya is there?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, then next what happened? Now the Jadabharat spoke to the king. Next what happened? Next, what did he say? You see on the slide. What did he say? These are all very important. We have to revise. He said?
That if you think you're the master, it's not actually true because in each life you're a different person. And
today,
today you're the king, but tomorrow, but in the next life you could be something else.
Yes, right. Next. Nothing is temporary. We are. This world is unsteady, right? Today we are something. Tomorrow we are something. We don't know. So he's trying to explain all those things. Nothing is permanent. That we have to always remember. Nothing stays forever. Then what is he saying? Who wants to say?
Mataji, can Shri read it?
Shri. I'm looking. Anybody didn't get a turn to tell? Karthik, you want to say?
We do.
Okay, I think Karthik.
Kartik,
Yes, Karthik, go ahead.
you think that by punishing me, I will come to my senses. But although I live like a deaf, dumb, and dull man, I am actually self-realized. What good will your punishment do?
See, now the king is like, he's talking very, very enlightening words, right? He's saying, if you punish also, what will you do? I am always thinking about Krishna. I'm always thinking about the Supreme Lord, Supreme Conscious. Oh, Keshavi, where do you stay? Is it cold there? You wrapped yourself. You know, I live in Florida. It's very hot here. Okay. So now he's saying, now see, king is like spellbound. So tomorrow, see, imagine you're all such a sweet kids that Krishna is so impressed. At a very young age, you're learning all these big, big things. So you should remember. So you just not listening here and leaving here. That is not there, right? You should remember it forever. That should be there. Please, it's my request. You have to remember all these things. Okay, I'm sure. So next, who wants to say now at the last what happened? At the last what happened? What did the king say? Ramachandra is there? Huh?
Can Shri say?
Yes, Shri, go ahead. What happened? Now what happened?
Mataji.
Ramchandra, let Shri finish, then we'll come back.
Okay. So after Jadabharat, he spoke those words. The King Rahugana, he got enlightened and he said he became a devotee.
He became a devotee. Okay, but so now Jadabharat explained the king that everything. Then king started. King was very, very impressed. So now king asked, "What is false ego? How do I purify my mind?" So can anybody tell me how do we purify our mind?
By reading Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, doing Krishna consciousness.
To chant Hare Krishna mantra.
Yes. Anything that comes from our mind is not purified because our mind is polluted. See, when you have a dirty water, do you want to drink the water from that?
No, Mataji.
You want to drink a purified water. You want to drink only clean water, right? So similarly, how do we purify then? You remember in the summer camp, we did one experiment, like we took dirty water, and how does the dirty water become pure? You take a jug of water and keep pouring. What happens? All the dirty water comes outside, right? And the pure water grows in the glass. So similarly, we have a lot of dirt in our mind. We don't want to. Sometimes we might feel, small children might think, oh, why is Mataji saying my mind is dirty? Mind is dirty means it's in a different way with all bad thoughts, not like the dirt you see here on the body, but with all bad thoughts, bad desires. Even our mind is dirty. So how do we get purified? As you all said, reading scriptures, reading Bhagavatam, reading Bhagavad Gita, listening to elders, listening to spiritual mentors, spiritual masters, and what is
Hare
that?
Krishna mantra.
Chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. It's like a fire. What happens if Karthik puts a finger in the fire?
He will get burned.
So similarly, can Karthik say, oh, I didn't know? Knowingly if he puts or unknowingly if he puts, the finger will burn. So knowingly you chant or unknowingly you chant, all our dirt slowly goes away. And when the dirt is gone, our mind also gets very, very purified. That is one thing that he explained. Then what is false ego?
False ego is...
What is ego? thinking I am great, I am the master. Oh, Krishna is nothing. Who is Krishna? I am the master. We all thought like that. That's why we came and we are staying here, right? But if you don't have false ego, what are we thinking? We are thinking I am servant of Krishna. I want to make Krishna happy. That's how we think. Otherwise, when we were all in the spiritual world, but we didn't want to stay Krishna. We showed our false ego. We said, oh, everybody serves Krishna only. Why not me? I don't want to serve Krishna. I want to be the enjoyer. Like that we were thinking. And you know what Krishna was telling us? Please don't go. If you go, you will not be happy. But we were not listening. See, when you are a small child, your mom tells you, you will listen. Maybe 7-8 years, if she gives a punishment, you will still listen. But when you're 14-15 years, a mother also cannot give a punishment, right? How many times will she say? You will not listen. How much? She will just leave. Okay, they will learn by in a hard way. Sometimes when I'm trying to, back up my son, my husband always says, just leave him. He will learn it in a hard way. Suppose he doesn't take his book. I will be worried like, oh, what will his teacher say? So I have to pack. So his father will say, no, if you keep doing, he will never learn. You just leave. One day if he doesn't take the book and if the teacher, gives him a punishment, then he will remember. So sometimes we want them to learn.
Even my dad says that sometimes.
Yeah, because my son comes and says, you didn't keep my book today. You didn't keep my pen today. My teacher asked me like that. He complains. So we want to learn in a hard way, right? So that's why what Krishna thought, okay, he's not listening. He will only understand and he'll come back to me. That's why Krishna had to let us go. But he's taking, you know what? How are the planets rotating correctly? Why are they not colliding? Why are they not dashing? How is it happening?
What, Mati? I couldn't hear you.
The planets go in an orbit, right? Nicely, neatly, all the planets go in orbit. How is that happening? Who are asking the planets to go in an orbit? Is somebody
I have a question.
Krishna.
Krishna actually, and I was here reading somewhere. Krishna even enters the Krishna, yes. Krishna enters the orbits and he will make that happen in a proper way. So see how nicely Krishna is arranging. Our parents are taking care of a one lifetime and the child don't listen. The mother and father gets, oh, how many times should I tell you? You don't listen to me, Baba. He gets so frustrated. But Krishna took care of us when we were an ant. He took care of us when we were a worm. He took care of us when we were a bird. He took care of us when we were aquatic. He took care of us when we were in the tiger body. All bodies he was taking care of us. So, but he never gets frustrated. He never gives up on us. He always thinks one day my child is going to come back to me.
And Mataji, I had a question.
Who is that?
Nandini.
Yes, Nandini.
Was Jagai Madai like Jai Vijay on Earth?
Jagai Madai. Yes.
No.
Yes.
This?
Yes.
Jagai Madai was.
Jai and Vijay. Yes.
I thought they only took 3 lifetimes. Sishapa and Dantavaka and Dwapar Yuga.
Mataji, what is the extra thing we're going to do today?
Okay, we are just going. I think we are running out of time. Mataji will cover. Okay.
Mataji, what is the extra thing we're doing today?
Today we are not doing any craft because it is revision time. You are all only telling. So we will do one Bhagavad Gita shloka. And then 15th chapter because this is Purushottam month. And then we can end the call, okay? And tomorrow Vrinda Mataji will cover. After the revision is over, again we'll get back to our activities, okay? How many of you are reading 15th chapter Bhagavad Gita every day?
We do.
Mataji, I do it.
We do it every night.
Krishna does it.
Krishna
We
does.
also read every night, Mataji.
Mataji, we just read Bhagavad Gita. We don't read exactly the 15th chapter.
Wonderful. That's okay. Yeah.
We
Very
read
nice.
only 15th chapter because it's Purushottam month.
Mataji, I sing the Chalastakam, the
Before we go to
Nandastakam,
bed.
and
Namaste.
Madhava every day.
Okay.
Mataji, we also say the Govardhanam Dharam Mande Gopalam Gopalubinam.
I also say that.
Govindam
Also,
Gopika.
Mataji, also Jagannathastakam.
Also Jagannath Ashtakam. Okay. So yesterday till where did you read 9th shloka? Mataji, what did she say?
The same shloka.
The same shloka? Okay, we'll go to the next one. They're all such a sweet kids. How is your school going on? Are you liking homeschooling? Online school?
Yeah.
I hate
It's a bit
it.
I don't like it.
I like it. I don't like it really.
When do we end class?
Mataji, I don't like it at all.
Okay,
You don't
okay.
like
We will read
Mataji, I
one.
don't like it at all.
You don't like homeschool? You're not
No,
liking
I
at school?
No.
You have to stare at the laptops for like a few minutes or hours.
Okay, now who wants to say this first line?
Mataji, can I?
Go, this is Keshavi. Could I go? This is Keshavi.
No, wait.
Keshavi.
Wait. No, wait. I am
Keshavi.
going to speak because you have. Are you all done? Are you all done talking? No, you have to wait.
Totam Chaksh.
Mataji, you're on mute.
Lasanam gala evacha adishta manaschayam.
Okay. Can you all please be quiet?
Just mute and
Please be quiet, please. Thank you. So I will, because there are some kids who didn't talk. Sri Krishna is there?
Yes, Mataji.
Can you read this first line for me, please?
Srotram chaksus parshanam cha.
Okay, read this. Read it.
Okay, rasanam graname cha adhishtaya manaschayam vishayanupasevate.
Okay. Now, Ojasvi, can you read and others can repeat after her because we don't have time. She will start and one line and please repeat. I will also repeat with her. Ojasvi, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Mataji. Shrotam chakshuhu sparshanam cha.
Shrotam
Evacha
Adhishtaya
manaschayam
Vishayan upasevate.
Okay. We didn't have time. Mataji, time is not there. Like we don't have more time, right?
Are we ending?
Yes, Mataji, we can end.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for the call. Bye. DJ. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Vrinda. Hi. Hare Krishna, Mataji.